So I've upgraded my mouse, my monitor arm, my speakers, and my wallpaper. So now I think it's time to upgrade my stinky fart smelly crusty R keyboard. This is my Newman G610 that I've had for 4 years. To be fair though, it's kinda good. It has hot swappable brown Atemi switches with cool RGB and supporting Bluetooth. Wow. But now, I think it's time to retire this beauty. Out comes the old, and in comes the new. This is the Logitech G Pro TKO. Tech Rice Reviews. Containing GX Blue clicky mechanical switches. I'd probably recommend not getting this keyboard if you don't like loud keyboards, cause this thing is loud. However, in this case, I don't mind. It has a 2mm actuation distance with an actuation force of 50 grams and a 1 millisecond report rate, making it very fast in responding to your inputs. It has light sync RGB lighting with advanced features for more FPS, customizable through the Logitech G Hub gaming software. It also has a 1.8 meter detachable cable, so there's plenty of room for moving your keyboard around. So overall, this keyboard is Tech Rice certified. And for those of you saying you should have got the Aula F75, shut the f